Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a lovely collection of hand woven Kanjivaram silk saris. These saris are just perfect for Deepavali. They are also ideal as gifts for your loved ones this festive season. These are sure to add joy and color to your celebrations. So let's get started with this collection. This is a stunning Kanjivaram silk sari with plus buttas all over the body. This is a very pretty Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a very pastel beigeish yellow color and there are plus buttas woven in thread all over the body. The borders of the sari are in yellow and it has Pakshi motifs in zari. The yellow pallu of the sari has Sipureka in zari. The sari has a yellow blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful deep green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a nice green addige. A gorgeous and unusual Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very unusual and rare combination. A festive, fabulous Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous shade of orange and there are small zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari are in a Rama green color. These are Korvai borders and there are Kuilkand motifs in zari on the borders. The Rama green pallu of the sari has gorgeous zari motifs of pakshis, paisleys and lovely chakram motifs. All these are done in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same Rama green color as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. This is a combination from the 60s and 70s, a vintage combination which is hard to come by now. A very unique and exclusive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a beautiful purple and it has zari lines all over the body. A very unique and exclusive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has stripes running along the length of the sari and the stripes are in a combination of zari stripes and thread stripes in purple and green. The borders of the sari have rectipetal zari borders. and the motifs on the borders are vanki or chevron kind of motifs. The sari has a very unique pallu with a broad tissue-based seepu along with other bands of zari. The sari has a deep purple blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a diamond necklace or gold necklace. A stunning teal colored threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is sure to make heads turn. A beautiful jewel toned Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a threadwork Kanjivaram in a gorgeous shade of teal. There are small threadwork buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari have threadwork motifs in a combination of pink and turquoise. The pallu of the sari follows the same color scheme as the borders and it has threadwork motifs. The sari has a turquoise colored blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with beaded or silver jewelry. A Zari Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has kattams in a beautiful mix of orange, rust and maroon. A very festive and beautiful Zari Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari. The kattams in this sari are in a combination of shades of maroon, shades of rust and shades of orange. The borders of the sari have quilkand motifs in zari and the short green selvage adds to the beauty of this border. The arakku pallu of the sari has seepu in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in arakku. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with gold jewelry. A very unique and exclusive and elegant Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a breathtaking short color of plum. A classic and elegant Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very gorgeous mix of plum purple and there is a stripe of zari along the edges. A classic and elegant Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very gorgeous mix of plum purple and there is a stripe of zari along the edges. The pallu of the sari is a showstopper. It has a gorgeous paisley at either end of the pallu and within the pallu there is a very cute peacock motif. This is done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful gold tissue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with delicate pearl jewelry. You can shop for our collection of festive Kanjivaram silk saris from our website www.kalpavastram.com. We request all patrons to place your orders as soon as you can so that you get the saris in time for the festivities. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.